Honestly, I think I might just cut it off. Might go bald. People been telling me my corner's been a little light, so I think I might just try the bald thing.
Hey, that's kind of crazy. How you feel about that, bro?
I'm very nervous, but we're gonna see what it looks like.
Okay, listen. Let me go ahead and take a do it. Damn. Crazy. I don't know, bro. Maybe you should go bald. They might be right. I think I got a better solution for you instead. You don't have to go bald, but I can like cut it down to a nice brush length, keep it dark, give you a nice mid fade around the head, and most importantly, give you a full crispy lineup and no pushback in these corners. Stick this V hairline. What you think?
Yeah, I like that, man.
Okay. So what are you expecting to look like after this haircut?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm optimistic. I know it's gonna look good.
Okay. I guarantee this is gonna be the best haircut of your life.
Do it.
Ready for the cut?
Let's get it, man.
Alright, let me put you back in the game. Nice.